I'm going to show you how to make chicken clay pot rice by using both jasmine and sticky rice. All the ingredients are cooked in a clay pot or in a classic saucepan. We get a very tasty dish. To make this recipe, I use a traditional clay pot, but you can also use modern ceramic pot, a dolsot bowl or classic saucepan. We absolutely need a lid for cooking. First, soak in boiling water a spice-flavored Lap Cheong sausage or Chinese Lap Cheong while preparing the other ingredients. Marinate the chicken. For that, remove the skin from the thighs. Cut them into half-inch thickness slices. Put them in a mixing bowl. Then add a chopped shallot, a pinch of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper, half tablespoon of light soy sauce, half teaspoon of dark soy sauce, half tablespoon of oyster sauce, half tablespoon of shaoxing cooking wine, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Combine. Grate a piece of ginger to get 1 teaspoon. Slice 1 spring onion. Remove the skin from the sausage. Cut it into thin slices. Lap Cheong is dry and smoked sausage. It is made with pork, flavored with 5 spice powder. Prepare the seasoning sauce. In a bowl, put 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, half tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix. I use 2 kinds of rice, jasmine rice and sticky rice. Don't wash them to keep the starch. We will get a very pleasant texture to chew. Slightly sticky and a thin crust of toasted rice at the bottom of the pan. Put them in a pot. Mix. Add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Mix. Add 1 cup and half cup of boiling water. Put the lid on and cook over high heat. After 6 minutes, the rice is boiling strongly. It is time to quickly add ingredients on its surface. The marinated chicken. Spread it well. The grated ginger and the slices of sausage. Keep the lid back on and keep on high heat for another 2 minutes. Turn to very low heat to allow the chicken to gently steam and the rice to absorb any humidity for 15 to 16 minutes. It is necessary that the lid has a hole. It allows water vapor to escape during cooking, preventing overflowing. Cut the fire. Spread over the rice 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, a seasoning sauce, 1 teaspoon of shaoxing cooking wine. Put the lid back on and wait for 10 minutes without fire. The rice will be even better. Add the spring onion, bon appétit! The rice is delicious. Its texture is great. The crispy grilled parts have an exceptional flavor. The shaoxing cooking wine, added after cooking, provides a complex scent that goes very well with the rice. These clay pots sold today are not resistant. I advise you to use a non-stick pan or a modern ceramic or stone pot to cook this dish. Thank you. See you at the next homemade dish on Morgan Recipes.